we have basic fault code readings. Always we need to start popping up some alerts and fault codes readings. We could see an NOx sensor behind the SCR catalytic converter, voltage normal or shortened low. As you can see, one of the advantages Jaltest provides is that you're getting a specific fault code readings from the manufacturers, as well as some detail-oriented information about the related components and faults that could be causing the alert coming up onto the ECU. We've got additional information, freeze frame data. We've got last in date of our occurrence. So we've got system state. We can tap a little bit on the help and components fault related to this error. As we can see, the CB27 is the NOx sensor after the catalyst nitrogen oxides heating. If you want to check additional information about the component, we can just click here and we're going to be able to see some of the diagrams, locations, some pictures related to the components, right? Some pinouts, operational data, and some references will be also included in the smart guide, so your mechanic teams could definitely take a look into this, as well as the electrical wiring that are pinouts to the main control unit are going to be able in different configurations. We're just picking up some random engine and ECM configuration to be able to show off some of the electrical diagram and connections we've got for this particular ECM. As you can see, we have power supplies, grounds, positive. We've got pinouts, connectors, and we've got all the technical data related to the fault. We've got system data. We have ECU readings, stored information such as serial number, VIN configurations, control unit serial number, hardware and software revisions, serial numbers, and updates as well. We've got operational data, data recordings. We've got engine operation data, data registration. We've got resets. We've got engine abuse data reports and after treatment data recordings as well. We've got vehicle and vessel data as well coming from the manufacturer. This is very technical information such as engine distribution, timing belts, accessory belts, fuel system oversupply, lubrication. We've got step-by-step guides and smart guides for servicing and troubleshooting your machines. We are able to see this directly from the manufacturers, as our information is not generic, it's specific for each of the models. As you can see, step 2, it's the check NOx outlet sensor in the SCR catalytic converter, and so we're looking to follow the path. If you have detected the failure, yes or no, let's say no, and let's hit next button, and we are going to be able to see some additional information. We've got specific troubleshooting guides by fault and symptoms manufacturers provide to us, very specific. If we're having an engine knocking, or let's say excessive noise on the gear train nose, low mass airflow, poor power generation, power loss while accelerating, we've got everything into the technical info license. We've got live measurements and monitoring. We've got system displays. We're going to be able to pop out after treatment or engine systems in different configurations. Let's say the exhaust gases type 2 to 4. We're seeing real-time measurements, the exhaust gas pressure, sensor voltage, DOC, particular filter, and the SCR temperature sensors. We can see the temperature inside and outside the outlet of the specified components, right? So coming back, we can choose a specific system live data. We can filter out by sensors and components of our interest. If we want to dig into pressure and temperature sensors, let's say the crankcase pressure, the exhaust gases temperature before, the particulate filter, and after. We can hit these little gadgets and we're going to be able to see real-time measurements, and we're getting system alerts if we ever get wrong readings. We can also take a look into the some graphs to see what are definitely sensing these components. We can set a time lapse from 3 to 5 minutes and we can see if we've got any erratic measurements. Okay. Some of the maintenance we have is the injector reset, particular filter regens. We can also read onto the SCR efficiency, regeneration of the soot particle sensor. This is pretty common often to be able to restart after we perform a force regen. We have DOC, catalyst maintenance, and also DPF, particulate maintenance as well. So let's have a look into the diagnostic reports that are being generated. Everything that we have performed for the sake of demonstration purposes will be recorded into these IDD, IDX formats. You can also import these to Excel as a raw information, or you can just import into your local files as a PDF. Okay, so we have also this system management of any diagnostic reports that you might be handling in your shop.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.